Have you ever had a wee set of sneezing fits? Right? Just random sneezing fits. And you've no bothered getting up off your arse to blow your nose. You've never done that. That's just mental. This guy's sneezing outside and that's what I'm imagining. He's going, oh my god, this sneezing terrible, but doing nothing about it. Like that. Just for the noise of the sneeze. I'm imagining an old man. That's what I'm imagining. I don't think that's a young strapping Jack Malad sneezing a bit sharp. I quite like a Starling. Despite the horrible noise they make. The top layer, but it's nice and soft. That's an easy go dinner. The colder, icier bit, not so much, but it's alright, aye.